They will demonstrate the 13 original defense and offense system of the hillside. That is the basic movement of espada y dagas applied in solo baston. Now this technique is very effective in sports competition, which is a prelude to actual street fighting. We call this under the hillside the Bigay Tama. That is Bigay Tama. So a block would be a strike, and a strike would be a block at the same time. Observe the footwork. That is what we call the triangular system. Now, the maestro band will demonstrate double baston contra solo baston. That is still part of the combination of instruction, Bigay Tama, and Larpotol. You see, napuputol na yung arnis. So when you strike with the arnis, it must be full power. And there must be awareness of the target. Maestro Ben is now demonstrating what we call the Trancada General as a specialized system in combat fighting. That is preparatory. Those are preparatory moves to Combat General, or what they call Trancada Academia General. So the strike is from head to foot. That's it. That technique could be converted into a solo baston technique, double baston, isang lipa, and the penultimate is what we call the mano-mano, or the empty hand technique. It's being used both in defense and offense. The same with the baston, or they call it the Ulisi. The original term for espada y daga was ginunting and dagaso. In Antique, they called it yamin. Yamin. That is yamin style, which originated in Panay. That is disarming. So, si Maestro Ben Kaliwete, yan, that is Trancada General.